Okay, so I just wanted to talk about this this function that you're working with here. You want to identify that this is a transformation of this function, x squared, right? X squared is like your basic version of the function, which is this parabola, right, that looks like that. This function is related to x squared, but it's been multiplied by 1/2 and then added 6. So the multiplying by 1/2, this is going to shrink by 1/2. So the normal, I should have made this a little bigger, the normal parabola goes over 1 up 1 and over 2 up 4. It does the same on the other side. So this is x squared. But if I shrink it by 1/2, that's going to go, instead of over 1 and up 1, it's going to go over 1 and up just a half. And instead of over 2 up 4, it's going to go over 2 and just up 2. So it's going to be a much wider parabola than what I started with. And then also I have the plus 6, so I'm going to have to then shift that whole parabola up 6 units. And so they just want you to identify those are the transformations that were happening to the parabola. So I think you were just missing this kind of 1/2 on the front. Like if this is my original f of x, then to go from the f of x to the g of x, I got to multiply f of x by 1/2, and then I got to add 6. And so it's sort of recognizing that this new function is just a version of the old function. So I think that also maybe helps a little bit with your second question. You're kind of not identifying the vertical stretches and compresses a little bit. So you can always focus on to figure out a compression or a stretch vertically. I just have to focus on the vertex, and the easiest thing is just to find the sort of over 1 up however many points. So in this case, this is from the vertex, it's over 1 and up 3. So I know that my normal parabola is over 1 up 1. This is over 1 up 3, so that tells me that this parabola has a vertical stretch of 3. Now, it may also have, and it does, some shifting, right? So this is moved over 2 to the right, so it's going to be a -2 inside, and it moved up 1, which is a +1 on the outside. So all those things are a little bit independent in that you can figure out the stretching and the shifting and things kind of independent from each other. So hopefully that will help with those problems.